Understanding public post, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in the digital world, public post. Whether you're scrolling through social media, reading a blog, or browsing online forums, understanding this term will enhance your online communication skills. So let's dive in. A public post refers to any content, like text, images, or videos, that is shared online where anyone can see it. Unlike private messages or restricted content, public posts are accessible to a broad audience. This could include posts on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, articles on blogs, or messages on public forums. 1. Social media. On platforms like Facebook or Instagram, choosing to make a post public means everyone, not just your friends or followers, can view it. 2. Blogs and websites. Articles or blog posts are generally public. They are meant to reach a wide audience for sharing information, opinions, or stories. 3. Forums and message boards. Here, public posts are often questions, answers, or discussions that are visible to all users of the forum. When you make a post public, it's important to remember that it's visible to everyone, from your friends and family to potential employers or strangers. It can be shared. Others can share or comment on your post, increasing its visibility. Permanent digital footprint. Even if you delete it later, it may have been copied or saved by others. 1. Think before you post. Make sure the content is appropriate and something you're comfortable with the world seeing. 2. Privacy settings. Familiarize yourself with the privacy settings of the platform you're using. 3. Respect others. Be mindful not to share sensitive information about others without their consent. I hope this video helps you understand what a public post is and how to navigate the digital world with this knowledge. Remember, what you share publicly can have a wide reach, so post wisely. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more. Happy learning and safe posting!